Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest audio technology. Today, we're thrilled to present the JBL Endurance Peak 3, a remarkable addition to JBL's renowned line of headphones. The JBL Endurance Peak 3 is not just a pair of headphones, it's a true companion for your active lifestyle. In this video, we'll dive into the key features and capabilities of these incredible wireless earbuds. Design and fit. Starting with design, the JBL Endurance Peak 3 is engineered for comfort and durability. The earbuds feature a snug and secure fit, ensuring they stay in place during even the most intense workouts. Whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym, these earbuds are designed to move with you. Performance. When it comes to performance, the JBL Endurance Peak 3 truly shines. They deliver high-quality sound with powerful bass, allowing you to stay motivated during your workouts or enjoy your favorite music on the go. These earbuds are also equipped with JBL's signature pure bass sound, providing an immersive audio experience. Connectivity. The JBL Endurance Peak 3 offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity, so you can easily pair them with your smartphone or other devices. They are also Ipx7 Waterproof, meaning they can handle your sweatiest workouts and even a little rain. Touch controls. Control is at your fingertips with intuitive touch controls. Adjust the volume, skip tracks, take calls, or activate your voice assistant without fumbling for your device. Battery life. One of the standout features of the JBL Endurance Peak 3 is their impressive battery life. With the earbuds themselves providing up to 8 hours of playtime and the charging case offering an additional 24 hours, you can enjoy your music for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. Audio call quality. These earbuds aren't just for music, they also deliver clear and crisp audio call quality. Stay connected with friends and family, or take work calls without missing a beat. In summary, the JBL Endurance Peak 3 is a fantastic choice for those who lead an active lifestyle. They offer a combination of comfort, durability, and exceptional sound quality. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply enjoying your daily commute, these wireless earbuds are designed to enhance your audio experience. So, if you're ready to elevate your music and fitness journey, the JBL Endurance Peak 3 is a perfect choice. For more information and to make these earbuds your own, check out the link in the video description. Thank you for joining us in this overview of the JBL Endurance Peak 3. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with fellow audio enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights on our channel.